In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Otter AI to transcribe and create content. This is a fantastic tool that's excellent for those who want to transform audio files into text quickly and efficiently, making it a go-to for content creators, students, and professionals alike. Let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll want to navigate to Otter AI's homepage. This can be done simply by typing otter.ai into your web browser. Once you arrive at the homepage, the first thing you need to do is ensure that you're logged into your account. If you happen to be new to Otter AI and don't yet have an account, signing up is straightforward. You'll find that Otter AI typically offers free tier options. These can be particularly handy for light users, or if you just want to give it a try without any initial commitment, so it's entirely up to you how you wish to proceed at this point. Now that we're on the homepage, you'll need to look for the Import option. This is a button specifically designed for uploading the audio file that you wish to transcribe. Go ahead and click on it. Doing so will open a new dialog or redirect you to a page where you'll manage your files, an intuitive setup that helps keep everything organized. Next up, you'll be prompted to browse your files. By clicking on the Browse Files option, a file manager window will pop up. Now, you'll use this window to navigate through your computer's directories to find the audio file you're looking to work with. Typically, the files suitable for transcription are in formats such as MP3, WAV, or M4A. So, take a moment to locate your desired file, which will make the next stages of your content creation seamless. Once you've found it, a simple double click to select, or a single click followed by hitting Open will do the trick. Once you've chosen the file, Otter AI will automatically get busy with the transcription process. You'll see a progress bar or an indicator that shows the tool working diligently to convert your speech into text. The beauty of this automation lies in its incredible efficiency. It allows you to plan how you'll utilize the transcription once it's ready, freeing you from the hassle of manual conversion. After your file has been transcribed, it's time to get creative with it. The transcription can be used in numerous ways. You might use it to write an article, create a script for a video, or even as subtitles for your YouTube content. The output from Otter AI is versatile and can be directly copied or exported, making it seamlessly easy to implement in other applications or platforms. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've not only created text from audio, but also laid the groundwork for creating various content pieces that can be repurposed across multiple formats. It's an incredibly useful process, and once you're comfortable with it, you'll find countless ways to exploit these transcriptions. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to explore Otter AI's other features and discover just how versatile it can be in all your content creation endeavors. Thanks for watching.